Hello students. So yesterday we had done comparing numbers. So children, take out your maths book, open page number 57. And today we'll do ascending and descending order. So children, what is ascending order? When we arrange anything from the smallest to the largest one, then that order is known as ascending order. Let's take an example. Children, I have few crayons with me, but they are not arranged in any order. Now let us arrange in ascending order from the smallest to the largest one. Let us arrange. Now can you see that I have arranged these crayons in ascending order from the smallest to the largest one. The smallest one is the pink crayon and the largest one is the dark blue crayon. So this is called ascending order. So children, now let us arrange these numbers in ascending order. So whenever we arrange the numbers in ascending order or descending order, we compare, as we are dealing with the 3-digit numbers, so we always compare the highest place value digit. The highest place value digit is the hundreds place. So let us compare the hundreds. First of all, compare the hundreds place value digits. So children, at hundreds place, we can see the digits which are there are 6, 5, 2, 2, 3 and 4. So the smallest digit is 2. But we can see that 2 is there at 2. In two numbers, we can see that 2 is there. So now we'll compare the tens place digit. Alright. Out of these two, we'll see that which one is the smallest one. So for that, we'll compare the tens place digit because the hundreds place digit is same. Now the tens place digit, we see that here 2 is there and in 203 0 is there. So which one is the smallest one? Which one is the smaller? 203 is the smaller. So the smallest number is 203. Now larger than 203 is 227. Now after 227, then 317, because 3 is the smallest number now at hundreds place after 227. So now we'll write 317. Then after 317, which number will come? 403, because 4 is the smallest number. Out of these three, 400s is the smallest. So 413 will come. Now after 413, two numbers are left, 552 and 622. Which is the smaller one? 552, because it has 500s and this number has got 600. So 552 is smaller than 622. Now the largest number is 622. Now let us again arrange these crayons according to their size from the largest to the smallest one. So you can see children that this is descending order. From the largest to the smallest one. This is descending order. Now let us arrange these numbers in descending order, means from the largest, we'll start from the largest number and we'll write the smallest one at the last, in the last box. Alright, let us see. So how we'll arrange these numbers in descending order? Let us find out the largest numbers. We have to start from the largest number. Again, we'll compare the number, the 100 place value. Okay, here 1 is there, 1, same number, 1, 1, 2. Which is the largest number? 2, because it has 200 and rest of the numbers have only 100 and here 0, 100. So 221 is the largest number. Now smaller than 221 is all the numbers have 100. So we'll compare the tens place digit. Here at tens place 1 is there, 0, 7 and 8. So which number will come now? 180, because it has 8 tens. Now after 180, now we'll compare these 4 numbers, 113, 105, 110, 0 tens and 7 tens. So 172 is smaller than 180, then smaller than 172 is 113, then 105, and the smallest digit in this is 90. Alright children, now I hope you can arrange the numbers in ascending as well as descending order. So your assignment for today is that you have to do page number 57 and page number 58.